The kidnapping and molestation of a well-known actor from Kerala has caused outrage. Some of her colleagues in the film industry are now speaking out. The actor was kidnapped by her driver and then molested by him and others in a moving car. 3 people have been arrested.
A driver and 2 others arrested for kidnapping and assaulting a 30-year-old actress from Kerala while she was returning from a shoot on Friday night. According to the police, around 8 p.m, the former driver of the actress deliberately rammed his vehicle into the car she was travelling in. Both cars pulled over and an altercation ensued. According to the police, the entire incident was staged and her current and former driver both are involved. The former driver then got into the actress's car and abducted her. He and at least 3 others drove her around the city for over 2 hours and assaulted her before dropping her off by the road around 10:30 p.m. The actress then took refuge at director Lal's home. The director told NDTV she was scared, shaken and shocked, but strong enough to file a police complaint. The police are still on the lookout for the main accused, the former driver and 3 others. A case of rape, kidnapping and wrongful confinement has been registered against 7 people.
Case അന്വേഷിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ പ്രതികളെ കുറിച്ച് സൂചനകളൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയാലോ. അതിന്റെ കുറച്ച് പേരൂടെ ഉണ്ട്. നമ്മൾ കുറച്ച് പേര് കസ്റ്റഡിയിലുണ്ട്, കുറച്ച് പേരെ നമ്മൾ വെരിഫൈ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് ഞങ്ങൾ അറിയിക്കല്ലോ.
Actress Rima Kalingal wrote on her Facebook page, "Thank you for standing up for each one of us, for having the guts to fight. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts." Taking to Facebook, actor Prithviraj said, "As a man who has to share the responsibility of a society that bears this shame, I hang my head. But please, the most we can collectively do at this moment is to respect the guts of this girl. I know how brave she is." But the incident has left the common people shocked and scared.
Once you get to know that there are people in your locality who has the guts to actually abduct an actress in the first place, scares you. Like, are we common people safe anymore? Like, I don't think so.
I'm genuinely scared for my sisters, all women folk out here. I'm genuinely scared for them, because if this can happen to a lady who is this famous or pronoun, I don't understand how every individual woman here is going to be safe.
With Sneha Mary Kochi, Sarah Jacob, NDTV.